What? My TV's on the screen.
I mean, your name's on this TV?
I mean, yeah. I'm hungry. Leave me alone. So how did our trip to Vegas start, you ask? Started with a phone call. Someone saw one of our videos and then invited us to come rate the room. A luxury studio room. Of course we're gonna go.
Hello, Web Universe. So we're getting ready to go to Vegas for the weekend. Super excited. Joe's taking forever to come. I know you get so anxious when you travel.
What are you doing?
Watching YouTube.
You know I hate flying.
So we had the worst Uber ride. Somehow my phone's GPS thought we were down the street, and thankfully our Uber driver called and was like, where are you? It was really embarrassing.
What up, Web Universe? So we just checked into Vegas, and we're staying in a studio suite that we're gonna review at the end of this. But we went to the regular check-in, and now we have to walk 10 minutes in a hotel to get to this place to where we actually check in. Let's go. So then when we land, we have to get to the room. It's the longest walk ever in a hotel. And we walked. It said 10 minutes, right? It's like half an hour. And we walked.
Yeah, no, it says to go to Tower 3.
And we walked until we finally got there. It seemed like eternity.
I like to say that, when it comes to traveling, usually things are pretty smooth for us. This has so far been the most not
Yeah, no
smooth.
wonder none of your friends wanted to come.
Face up. Oh, there we go. Ooh.
Ah, not so fast. You want to see the room? Why don't you stop here, go back, and click on our studio review room video. The Vegas one. The one before this. Yeah. And then you get to see the room. Go ahead, we'll wait. Alright, welcome back. It's like a mini apartment. Ooh, I see boobies.
Do you?
No. Wow, if that is Wet Republic, that place is hella small.
You know what? I bet that is because look, I think that's all supposed to be a lazy river.
Huh?
Look, see how there's those trees in the
Oh
middle,
yeah,
and
that's
then it
true.
goes
It's
around.
not open though.
me the chili.
Look at that.
Where is the chili?
Come on, come on.
So we're out here walking around, and we've lost $60.
Yep.
We are not having any luck.
Just like the day started.
Yep. Alright guys, so this is day 2, and we lost another $20, so we are now down $100. We even played the racist game to see if that would
I always win in those games. Always.
So we decided that we're gonna stop gambling and just spend our money.
Yeah, or maybe I'll do craps. I'm good at craps.
Okay, so our last day, Joe will play craps. Other than that, we are spending our money.
So after losing a lot of money, again, we decided to go see the Fountains of the Gods at the Caesar's Palace, also because I wanted a Fat Tuesday, but who doesn't want to see the Fountain of the Gods? Wow, really, Bobby? Really?
I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, because I'm sore on both sides. It's sore. It's a jacuzzi tub.
Like a jacuzzi tub? And Bobby thinks that the Jets bruised her.
Yeah, because I'm really sore like on my back.
It's called red meat. Stop eating salad.
No. We just got back from being out on the strip all day. It's like 5 minutes. So tonight we're gonna go to club crawls. We're gonna hit up 2 bars and go to 2 nightclubs. But first off, we need to relax because my feet are killing me. So we are going to take a bath with these awesome bath stuff from this cute little place called Nectar Bath Treats. And then we're gonna get ready and then we'll show you the club.
Check out our next vlog for Stevie Aoki and the club crawl. And don't forget to subscribe, please. We need the views, guys.